So in our last class, we have discussed, how to create the virtual machine, right? We already completed that part.
using
So if
VMware.
I open my VMware workstation, if you open my VMware workstation, you can see here we already created one virtual machine. Just we have created the virtual machine. You can say that is okay your server. Simply, you can say that is your server. But this is a virtual server. This virtual server contains 2 GB of memory, one processor, 20 GB of hard disk, and remaining all things. Okay, whatever you have in your laptop, everything will be replicated. Printer is okay. Actually, this printer is not a physical printer. This is also a virtual printer. Okay, you will be having sound card. Okay, you will be having USB controller for inserting the mouse and all these things. Network adapter to connect to your network. I mean, to connect to the internet. That is fine. Did we install any operating system inside this server?
No,
Did we install any operating system inside the server?
No.
No. This is just a okay server. Okay, you can say just now we have created a virtual server, or just now you have bought the server from the vendor. Now what we need to do is we need to insert the media. Okay, we need to insert the media. So there are two things. Okay, you can insert the DVD writer or you can insert the ISO image.
Okay.
So simply already I have downloaded that ISO image. What we need to do is just click on CD DVD. Do you have this option, right? CD DVD. Just click on that. Once you click on the CD DVD, it will open one more window. Here we have two options. Can you see here? Use
Yes.
physical drive. That means if you have any DVD with you, you can use the option. But in my case, I have ISO file. That is the reason I am using the second option. Select the second option and click on browse. So when you click on browse, okay, here, can you see here what is the ISO image I have?
Yeah.
RHTL 8.2, 64-bit, okay, DVD.iso.
Yeah.
So we are using or we are installing, okay, Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.2. Okay, select the operating system. That means select the ISO. Select the ISO. In your case, you have to download this. So I
Yeah.
will provide you the link. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay, select the ISO and click on open. So you want to understand one more thing. So Red Hat Enterprise Linux is a proprietary operating system, or you can say it is an enterprise operating system. In order to use the Red Hat Enterprise Linux, you need to pay them. But in my case, I'm using okay trial version. But okay, only 30 days it will work in your full okay in your full-fledged way. But the okay RHL is a proprietary operating system, but 100% Xerox to RHL is CentOS. 100% okay, Xerox to RHL is CentOS. What is that? CentOS. Are you getting?
Yes. Centers.
So you can see here. So from here only you can download that.
Centos Linux.
So what we need? Maybe I am in the wrong field or not. So you can observe here. This is the previous versions 7.8, 7.8, 7.8. Are you able to observe here?
Yes.
So if you want the CentOS 8, we can use CentOS download CentOS 8. Just click on here. Can you see here? Can you see here 8.2, 8.2, 8.2? So
Yeah.
I am providing this link for you in the chat box. Just click on any of one of the link. Okay, I'm just clicking on the link. Once you click on the link, you will be having this type of screen. Okay, what you need to do is you need to click on, you know, this one. Okay,
Eight.
CentOS 8.2 X8664 DVD1.ISO. You need to click on this. It's actually 8 GB. Can you see here?
Yeah.
7.7 is nearly it's 8 GB. In my case, I'm not going to download. Okay, I'm canceling because I have a Red Hat. Because you can't use Red Hat because it is a proprietary operating system. I recommend you to use CentOS. 100% the same process you have to use for CentOS and Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Is it clear?
Okay. Yeah.
So directly I'm providing this link. Please download this one. Okay, this line, the 8231. This one. Don't go with any other things. Okay,
Okay.
let me provide you this link.
Will it work for the Mac as well?
Yes, it will work.
Okay. Thank you.
But we need VMware again. Okay. In your case, I will provide you that one. Yeah, I told you that I will give that. Get- Okay, now it's working. This will work for you, I think.
VMware Fusion Pro.
So we have these features like
This
4-bit respect to bit conversion, password one. Can you try to download it?
Yes.
You need to wait. After clicking on download, please wait for some time.
The VMware or the another one, the Centos.
No, first you need to download VMware Fusion.
Okay.
And see, to be frank, I don't know how to install the things in Mac.
Yeah.
You need to work on how to install the things on Mac. I think it's very easy. It's not that much difficult. But here they have given password 123. Okay, I think this is the password for unzipping the things. So what I'm going to do is just I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste in the
That
in the
box.
meeting chat box.
Okay.
Okay, now just click on that.
It is directing you to HTTP. VMware Fusion Pro
Got it?
Mac free download. Yes.
Click on download.
Mm, download password 123, right?
Hmm. Is it getting downloaded?
Yeah. How long does it
Okay.
take? If it take long time, I will do it later maybe.
Ah, okay, that's fine. But okay, keep it with you, and
Okay.
that is the thing you have to work for the entire syllabus.
Okay.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
how much RAM you have in your Mac?
It's just I think 6 GB or something. I've ordered another laptop, so it will be
Okay, that's fine.
yeah. I mean this week, maybe the end of this
Yeah.
week.
Meanwhile, you can work with this.
Okay.
So, in my case, I'm using RHL. See, what we are doing in the step, we are just browsing the ISO, okay, and click
Okay.
on browse and select RHEL 8.2. In your scenario, you will download CentOS 8.2. Both 100% same. The process is same in RHL and CentOS. Select this operating system and click on open. This is the
Okay.
media.
Okay.
Once we have selected that, we have to click on OK. Once we have selected and click on OK, we need to power on the virtual machine. We need to power on the virtual machine. Just click
Mm-hmm.
on power on.
Okay.
So it is booting up and the installation process has been started. This is the process. You need to understand two things. At present, my mouse, you can see the hand symbol, right?
Yeah.
My mouse is in the Windows. Okay, we need to click on the any of the black space. Just click inside that. Now you have to use your keyboard. Use your keyboard. Okay, the okay arrow keys. I'm going to use top arrow key. Okay, to select the first option. What is the first option? Install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.2. What we are going to do? We are going to install it, right? That is the
Mm-hmm.
reason I'm going to select the first option. What is the first option? Install Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.2. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Select that and just click on enter. You need to click on enter. How you can select that? Okay, you have to use the arrow keys. In your laptop, there will be four arrows: top arrow, bottom arrow, left side arrow, right side arrow.
Yeah.
Okay, I am using my top arrow to select the first one. You can see it has been highlighted with the white. Okay, and
Yeah.
once it is selected, you have to click on enter in your keyboard. Just I have clicked on enter. Now
How,
it will go to the next process.
how do you select the second lane? By using same arrows, or how it is?
Same
Whether
down
okay,
arrow you have to use.
I can go down. I mean, like there's if there is
So at
like
present, in our scenario, today practical second one and third one we will discuss later. But
okay,
you need to understand about the first one only.
okay,
So again, there are different installation methods. Today, I am going to show you the default installation method. Is it clear?
yep, default,
So again, in production, okay, we will not do the installation in this way. We will learn how to do installation in production. Okay, in our coming classes.
yeah.
First, I want to show you how to install the operating system and how to use them. But we will discuss a lot of things later.
Centos and VMware.
Ashwin, are you getting?
Yes, Vamshi.
So the next step is to select the language. Okay, I'm going with the English. Okay, United States. Just go with the default thing and click on continue.
Mm-hmm.
So it will take some time to go to the next step.
Okay. Do you have a recording of a second class, like little bit, and the end? You recorded.
Yeah, yeah, I do have that.
Okay.
So once you click on the next, this is the next step. Can you see here?
Yes.
This is the next step. Here, what we need to choose is we need to choose the time zone. Okay, in my scenario, as I am in India, if I click on time and date, it will show you the world map. In my scenario, I'm selecting India map, and automatically it has changed the region and okay city. Okay,
Okay.
so if you use, I mean, the network time at present, it will not work because present we don't have any internet for the system. Once you start the system after installation, it will automatically start up. So you need to
Okay.
understand this. Select India and click on done. This is the first one, right?
Okay.
Once
Mm-hmm.
that is done, what is the second thing you need to select? Software selection. This is very important. Software selection. Click on software selection. Every time whenever you are installing, you know, operating system, it's better to choose minimal install. Okay, minimal install. In real time, we will go with the minimal install because if you select minimal install, it will not install unnecessary packages. It will
Okay.
not install the unnecessary packages. Every time in production, we will use minimal install only. But this is the first time you are working with Linux. I recommend you to go with the server with GUI. When you are writing the exam, then also you will write your exam in the graphical user mode in Linux. But whenever you are working in real time, you will never use the graphical user involvement. You will use the
Mm.
command line interface. Command line interface is nothing but you will not get anything graphics. Okay, everything is the command. Are you getting?
Mm-hmm.
So both we will discuss. But right now I'm going to select the server with graphical user interface. GUI is nothing but server with graphical user interface. Okay, select that and click on done. But this is not recommended in the production. But you need to understand about this because you will write Red Hat exam, right? At the time,
Yeah.
definitely you have to okay use the graphical user interface or enrollment. Okay, what is the next one we need to select? Installation destination. Click on installation destination. We have inserted the 20 GB hard disk. Okay, just make sure whether we have the checkbox or not. If you don't have the checkbox, just click on the hard disk. You have to make sure you have it has been checked and click on done. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
is it clear?
Yeah.
And right now, don't worry about remaining options. And okay, another option which we need to understand right now is network and host name. Click on network and host name. Here we are not getting any IP address. Okay, if you click on button here, now it will start giving you the IP address. Can you see we got one IP address? Are
Mm-hmm.
you able to see this?
Yes.
In the same way, host name is nothing but your system name or your server name. In my scenario, I'm giving web server. Okay, and just click on apply. Once this is done, click on done. That's it. What are the things we have changed? We have changed the time and okay, time and date, and software
Okay.
selection. We need to make sure we have to select server with GUI for okay for 5 days or something like that. After 5 days, we will use CLI mode only. Okay, maybe tomorrow I'll show you how to install okay Linux operating system with the CLI. Every nothing is much difficult. Only the thing is I have to remember the commands everywhere. You need to understand. GUI means you will get everything graphically as Windows. Okay,
Okay.
if you are using minimal means it will install in the command line interface where you will not get any graphics. Only you have to use commands to do anything. Okay.
Got
So
it.
the next one, destination, installation destination, you have to select the hard disk and okay, click on next. Okay, the next one, networking host name, you need to just turn on the networking. You'll get the IP address and you have to give the host name. Whatever you need, you can give your host name. Once this is done, what is the next thing? We have to click on begin installation. Just click on begin installation. So it will take nearly okay 10 to 15 minutes to install the things. But okay, you need to understand one thing. By default, a user will be created. That username is called as root user. What is the user that will be created by default?
Root
Root
user.
user.
Root user. Okay, in Windows also, whenever you are installing any Windows operating system, by default a user will be created. You don't want to create the user. That user is called as administrator. Here,
Yes.
whenever you are installing any type of Linux operating system, it may be okay. You mean CentOS, Debian, or it may be Ubuntu, whatever it is. By default, a root user will be created, but we need to set the password for the root user. This is very important. Just click on root password. Click on that and set a password. In my case, I'm giving Red Hat as the password. In your case, you can change that. Okay,
Okay.
give Red Hat as a password and click on done. 2 times you need to click on done. That's it. Okay, the root user, you can say he is the administrator for the entire server. Okay,
Okay.
automatically user will be created. For that user, we have just set the password. And what is the second option? Use user creation. If you want to create a normal user, you can click on user creation and give the name of the user. I'm going to create a user with the name Vamshi, and I want to make the Vamshi user as a administrator. Then I can use this option, makes this user as an administrator and give the password. Are you clear about this?
Yes.
Yes.
And just click on done. That's it. We need to wait at least 10 to 15 minutes to complete this process. Okay.
Okay.
So meanwhile, you can download that VMware Fusion.
Mm,
You can.
yes. It got cancelled. I guess It was in process.
You have cancelled that.
No, I haven't cancelled, but it automatically does.
Okay, try it again.
Yeah, I'm trying. Do you want to download it? It says Safari can't open the file.
Already downloaded. The file has been downloaded or what?
Yeah, the file has been downloaded already. When I click on the download file, it says Safari can't open the file.
You should open normally. Okay, go to downloads and from there you have to extract that. Can you share your screen?
I will try. Okay. Mm, Where is the sharing option? You preparing.
You have an option to present your screen.
Okay.
Uh, Vamshi, you need to stop presenting, then Yogendra will be able to present.
Okay. Now I have stopped my presenting.
Okay. Present now. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
It is getting. Yeah, I'm able to see your screen.
Yeah. Um,
Can you go to downloads? Can
of
you go to downloads?
wait,
Actually, when you're downloading, where by default, where it will be downloaded?
right here, somewhere around here.
Where is that file then?
I was trying to open from here, and it says something.
No, no,
Not
no,
from here.
no. You can't open here. You have small icon, right? Y- uh, preparing to download. Again, you're downloading.
No, I'm not down. Okay, I'm canceling it. Mm,
You need to understand where it has been downloaded. That is the main thing.
Basically, it used to here like recent things, and it is not here.
Uh, no.
No, it is not here. Desktop.
Can you click on Yogender, that locations? Under the locations, you have the place. Click on users.
No, nothing here.
Click on Yogender, but yeah, you click on that home. Home. Do you have downloads? Here we
Download.
have.
Oh,
Um,
this one?
you don't have, no, it's like it's very small. Is it completed downloading?
Yeah, the first one was downloaded.
It is downloading, I think so.
The first one
It has
is it?
completed.
Oh, it is
Yeah,
not.
yeah, the first one
It
only.
is the
Just click
VMware.
on that.
I think it hasn't. I mean, Safari downloaded.
It's actually got stopped.
I think it
It got,
has stopped the downloading.
okay, I gotta
Can you
close.
please download it again?
Okay. Mm.
Okay, okay, it's getting downloaded or what? I think it's getting downloaded. I mean, it is under progress.
I'm downloading it again, but I don't know. Let's see.
It's under progress. Wait,
It's right here.
don't do anything. Wait. Okay, now cancel this second one. The first one, cancel the first one. It's already downloaded. Now go to downloads. Go to downloads. Yeah, that one. Yeah, just Right click on that. Right click on that.
Source
Oh my
file.
God, you don't have any unzip software.
No. So once I click on this, open source file.
Actually, you need search for, yeah, search app store. Click on that. You don't
Source
have
file.
anything.
Mhm. It looks kind of complicated. So once my laptop will be arriving this end of this week, maybe I'll do from there.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Actually, you need, the WinRAR or something like that.
Mm.
WinRAR actually used in Windows.
Mm.
In Mac, I'm not sure what you need to use. Or I will do one thing. I will download from my side and
Okay.
I will provide the file to you. Okay,
Yeah.
in that way it will be useful.
Thank you. So I should stop sharing this.
Yeah, yeah, please. So actually you need to understand it's going to install 1348 packages. Till
Oh,
now it has completed 456 packages.
yeah.
So next topic, what we are going to discuss is the architecture of, you know, the architecture of Linux.
Okay. Mm,
So it will take a lot of time, I think so. It
mm,
is very slow.
what are those hardware kernel shell terminal?
Yeah, in order to explain that, I need, okay, we need the operating system ready. That means
Uh,
we need to log into the system, then only I can explain this.
I see.
Yeah. So I will try to explain. Okay. Tell me whether you are getting this or not.
Okay.
Okay. Terminal is a place where you will type the commands, human readable commands. Terminal is a place where you will type the human readable commands. Okay. Terminal is a place where you will type the human readable commands. So let's say I use one command. Okay. This command is used to create a directory. Okay. Directory means folder. In
Okay.
Linux, directory is nothing but it is a folder. I can use mkdir space. Let's say I'm going to create a directory with the name test. So in the terminal, what is the command we have typed? Mkdir space test. Is it a
Yes.
human readable or not?
Yes.
So once you type and if you press enter, what will happen? This human readable command will be passed to the shell. So what is the use of the shell? Shell will convert the human readable command which you pass from the terminal to the binary. It will convert the human readable command to binary. Why it should convert from human readable to binary? So kernel can't understand human readable language. It can only understand binary language. That is the reason it will convert the human readable language to binary. Once the conversion process is done, this binary, I mean, the binary output from the shell will be passed to the kernel. So what is the use of the kernel? Kernel is called as the heart of operating system. Kernel is called as the heart of the operating system. Are you getting?
Can you repeat the word hard top by what was that?
Heart, heart.
How do you spell?
Our heart is there, right?
Hard. H E
Heart.
A R.
Yes,
Okay.
heart of the operating system.
Heart of the. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
So heart of the operating system. Okay.
Okay.
So you will be okay. What the kernel will do? Kernel will directly. Kernel can talk with the hardware, underlying hardware. What are the things you will be having in the hardware? You will be having processors. You will be having RAM. You will be having hard disk. You will be having chipsets. Who can talk with the hardware? Kernel can interact with the hardware, underlying hardware. So you need to understand this. Are you getting? So the
Yes.
binary output from the shell will be passed to the kernel. This kernel will talk with the hardware and it will interact with the hard disk. And inside the hard disk, you will create a folder. Are you getting?
Yes.
So again, the hardware will give you the output. Once you create the folder, the hardware will give you the output. The hardware will give you the output in form of binary, okay, to the kernel. Now the kernel will pass the output in a binary form to the shell. But as a humans, can you understand binary language?
No.
No.
Shell will convert the binary to.
Shell again will convert the binary output. This is binary output to human readable
commands
human readable language.
language.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So the output which is coming from the kernel will be again converted from the shell from binary to human readable. Human readable, and the output you can see in the terminal. Is it clear?
Yeah, so first you go bottom to top and now top to bottom, right?
Yes, exactly. This is called as architecture of Linux.
Okay.
So this backend process we can't see. Okay, only the thing is we will just type the command in the terminal. Okay, the conversion process you can't see. Okay, the kernel process we can't see. The hardware process you can't see. Only the two things you can see: the command which you are giving, the input command, the output command. I mean, the output what you are getting. That's it.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes.
This is the internal process. This is the internal process.
The
Behind
terminal
the
is
screen, okay, behind the screen, you will be having these all steps. Terminal is okay, the place where you will type the human readable commands.
mm-hmm. And the shell is
Any doubts?
no, the shell is it transfer human readable command to the binary, right? And kernel
Yes, yes.
is binary to what is
No, 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 no. Kernel is called as part of the operating system. It
mm-hmm.
will interact with the hardware. It will
Hardware. Okay.
interact with entire hardware.
Okay.
So in the hardware, in our case, it has created the folder. Once the folder is created inside the hard disk will send the output in a binary form to the kernel. Okay,
Okay.
kernel will send the same binary output to the shell. Shell again will convert the binary output to the human readable language, and then only you can see that output in the terminal.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, so terminal is the only place where you can see
See the
the
output.
yeah, see the output and where you
Even
can
we have to type,
understand.
yeah,
Yeah.
typing the commands also we have to use that.
Mm-hmm.
So give me 5 minutes, I'll be back. Okay.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah,
Hello.
Vamshi.
Mm-hmm. Hello.
So is it clear for you?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Any doubts?
No.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So do you have any doubt?
No.
Okay. What about you?
He's also good. He texted here. So
Okay.
yeah.
So it
Nothing good.
takes
Nothing much.
time, okay, it have to install a lot of packages because we are installing in a graphical way.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
it will take a long time, you know. So actually, if you go with the minimal installation, it will not take that much of time because it will install only nearly 400 to 500 packages.
Okay.
So this many packages, 1348 packages there.
Yeah, this is a graphical environment, right? It need to install all the things.
Okay.
So fine, I'll stop here and we will discuss from here tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, Vamshi.
Thank you.
So if
Thank
you
you.
have any doubts, you can ping me. Okay, uh, you know we have to start the commands from tomorrow. Okay, from tomorrow we'll start the commands. So
Mm-hmm.
if you don't have this type of environment, the installation part you can skip it and you can start practicing in the AWS account. So Ashwin asked me, to create AWS account. You can create from your end, Ashwin.
Okay.
Okay, if you
Okay.
want to share your screen, I will show you how to do that.
Okay.
You want to do it right now?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, I have stopped the screen. Are you sharing your screen?
So, yes, are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, I'm able to.
So, you want me to go to aws.com?
Yes, AWS.com. Yeah, exactly. So
Create.
click on get started for free. You can click anywhere. Create a
Okay.
free account. So give some email address, password, and confirm the password and create account name. So here you have to click on personal. Wait. Give your phone number.
Shall I create?
Yeah. So just provide your stop sharing and provide your credit card or debit card details.
One
Stop
second.
sharing.
Yeah, 1 second. I'll get the thing.
So they will charge you 2 rupees or something like that.
One, 1 second.
Okay, after that step, please share your screen again. Okay, give your OTP.
याद नहीं करोगे तो करवाएंगे, रूठे होगे।
You will get one 4-digit code to your phone.
Yes.
Please enter that. Right here. Wait.
No, I'm not.
Okay, so be careful. Okay, some of the students mostly choose different plans, but always you need to choose the basic plan. Click on free. That's it. So that's fine. Now click on sign in. Sign into the console and provide your details. So it will take 24 hours to activate that. Okay. So root user means the email ID which you created. I mean which you have given when you are creating the account.
Okay.
Give the email ID. So now you can log into the console, AWS console, but you can't do anything. Give the password. It will take 24 hours. So in order to practice, mainly you have to practice that in the EC2 service. In the search
Okay.
bar, type EC2. Enter the first one. You can see here. It will take
Yes.
24 hours to fully activate your account, right? So
Yes.
you can log out this. Okay, maybe tomorrow at this time your account will be activated.
Okay. Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes. Got it.
Yeah.
But okay, please remember the username and password.
Sure. Sure.
Chalo, we will also secure your account. okay, by using two-factor authentication. Tomorrow we'll do that.
Okay.
So today I'm going to end the session. If you have any doubts, you can ask me quickly.
Oh no, it's good. So we will be using Linux through the EC2, right?
From EC2 we will use is okay lines for
This
commands and
is
all these things. Okay, installation part we can't do exactly. Okay, the AWS installation is totally different. Okay, your
yeah,
Linux operating system level installation is totally different. You need to understand that.
yeah,
But if you skip the installation part, if you see the videos, that is fine. If you
mhm,
don't have any resources, if you have resources, you can do the installation. That is totally up to you.
yeah.
Okay,
Hmm.
so if okay, coming to the commands and all these things, we will do in the AWS itself. Is it
Okay.
Like
clear?
Yeah.
yeah, like if you do in AWS, the output
Hmm.
would be same like the
Yeah.
if
Same,
installed.
same. In
Okay.
AWS, if you're doing that is like a production environment only. You know
Oh, great. Okay.
that is the advantage of AWS actually.
Okay. Got it.
Hello then.
Thank you, Vamshi.
All right. Have a good day.
Perfect.
Have a
Mm.
bye again.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye, Aswin.